this is what I've got. Every piece that can come off, well, other than the lid there, which isn't not going to come off. I'm going to leave it on the paint. But the rest of it's all off and all over the garage. People are probably going to be mad that I'm taking this blue off. But why I'm taking it off is because it's been painted several times. I don't know if you guys can see all the trash that's in this. It's kind of hard to see. You can see the texture there. But there's all kinds of just... You think that's dust and stuff. Well, that's dust that's stuck in the paint job from previous owner painting it. Some of it's original, some of it's not. None of it matched good. That's why I'm painting it. I'm not painting it the blue because the blue is way too expensive. And I kind of like the gray. It looks a little tougher. So that's what I'm going with. And I'm going to sell all of that except for the hood because I need that.